Alright guys, welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, and if today is the first time of you coming to this channel, I say a very big welcome to you. Don't forget, you can always click on the notification button for you to be notified. Please share our videos as well. So if you're a returning subscriber, the same thing, make sure you copy the link and share. And as you can see, we are in a new store. This is our new store. Like I said, we opened at Akowanjo Road, opposite Sweet Sensation, and the name of the plaza is Primatech Plaza, just opposite Sweet Sensation. Okay, I think I really want to make this because it's hurting me. I want to say this to you all. Don't forget this. Don't forget. It doesn't really take you to go to some big schools for you to become a beautician or a skincare doctor or whatever you might call it. It doesn't really for you to really go to some schools, get some doctorate degree for you to know how to mix cream. No, not at all. Not at all. And it doesn't really need for you to be 1 + 1. And no, it don't go need some logic way you gonna do it. No, this is all about what you know. What you know, they say knowledge is power. That is why I might just want to do this review on this product. As you can see, we have a lot of product. And this one product I want you guys to know it. I don't know if you've seen it. Okay, I don't know if you've seen it. My camera might be okay. Let me use the focus to catch this. I don't know if you've seen it. It could be blocking, and I don't know. But if you've seen it, but if you're not seeing, I'm talking about Dr. Skin. Dr. Skin. This Herbal Dr. Skin Collagen Ampoule. I'm talking about Collagen Ampoule, right? Look at it. I don't know if you've seen it. This collagen, so it's a skin doctor. In other words, skin doctor collagen Ampoule. All right. Okay. Now, first of all, what do you understand by collagen? You want to mix a lotion, and your lotion don't have collagen. That is, it's an error. Like that is why I said it doesn't really need for you to go to some big schools, some doctorate degree. You already know what's good for the body. Listen good. People not gonna tell you this. There are some time ago I keep telling you I don't know what causes stretch mark, right? I don't know what causes all this. We just don't want to tell you, right? There are some things that you don't know about, and when you have opportunity to know them, know this right. You might lack some things because you lack some cells in the body. They can cause some of that things in the skin. That is what you don't know. So when you're making a lotion, you make sure all of this ingredients should be in your lotion. What am I giving to people? Right now, I want to make somebody come tell me my skin look dull, my skin look break up, and I don't know how to. Come on, I just know how my skin look like. I want you to make a cream for me, a lotion for me. How would you go about it? And so, would you just do 1 + 1, 1 + 2? What I hear in the YouTube people say, no. That is why I say information, knowledge is power. As a skin beautician, okay, look, I want to make a lotion for this person that complained. Okay, I think this let me put ingredient into this lotion. For instance, you see this water cooler that reduces redness. Okay, I want to see, this person said, I have a redness. What is the cause of that redness? Okay, let me put more advantage on this water cooler, this Mega 9 water cooler. So what will I do? I just don't want this person to just get the advantage of removing redness. Let me make this thing more rich. I might decide to put my collagen. I might decide to put this. Automatically, first of all, let me break down what is collagen. First of all, let me break it down to you. What is collagen? Collagen is the main structural protein in the extracellular found in our body. Let me repeat it for you. Collagen that you don't know. It's funny, right? Yes. Collagen, I repeat again. Collagen is the main protein in the extracellular found in our body. So that is to say, hence is the real component of connective tissue. That's a major component. Collagen, you see, is a major component in the connective tissue. You know, we have different types of tissue. So that is to say, collagen should always be in our body. Should be in your bone, should be in the skin. Yes, because if all this like collagen is not found in your skin, and you might always have some, that's why you see some people's skin, they say, oh, my skin is dull, I don't look the way, my skin look big, my skin look dull. I just want you to mix something that can make, so when you lack collagen, meaning you lack protein, right? Yes. That is no more too much oyibo, right? Guys, they say I speak oyibo too much. No more too much oyibo. So the thing is, so when you're promising this, you try to make this now. Okay, I might say, let me put some more benefit. I would love to put this, not just removing redness, but right now it cannot make your skin firm. It cannot make your skin look brighter. It cannot make your skin look sharp. No more dullness. Hey guys, that's what collagen does. And a body like it make your school, make you look younger. Yes, collagen make you look younger. You know, when you have protein in your body, like you become young, you look strong, all that. So because if you have none of these, you're gonna get dull, your face, your skin, like you're not gonna look more appreciative to people. Say, oh, why are you like this? Why your skin looking? So I think you need to see the beautician too, or you need to see your doctor. That's why I say it doesn't really matter when you're treating somebody's skin, when you're promixing, you decide to put collagen. That's the right choice. So now, when you see collagen ampoule, don't let this language. This ampoule is just a glass container that is being sealed. That is the ampoule. So the other one is just collagen, which is the protein I'll be telling you. Yes, the major protein. You know, are you getting there? Just something you have to understand. So any lotion you produce and you want to promise, make sure there be collagen. It's very, very okay. Let's read from this now. Let not be like I'm just talking. Okay, let's read from this. It's for all skin type, especially for matured and dull skin. Just imagine, so people's skin, like as I said earlier, is very dull. You see it now? So when your skin is dull, meaning you lacking something. So which is that? You lacking collagen. Alright, for those of you who are learning how to promix, make sure if I were you, I would be attached to some things I hear. Right? It could be anything. It might not be of this type. It can be so long there is. Let me try it again. This is my formula. Let me try to make sure collagen be in it. That's the right choice. That's the right choice. Yes. They wonder. Sometimes we just say, if you want no more knowledge, it's belong I talk deep this way. You want to get more knowledge, come to my WhatsApp. And everywhere you come there, I would want to do business. If you don't pay me, I don't tell you anything like that. But I just decided to release this morning because it's bothering my heart I'm carrying right now. Yeah. When I saw a lady that promised cream, I wept. I said, so this is how you be eating people money? You see, you promise cream lotion. There are some things that when your cream lack, they causes white patches. There are some things your cream lack, they causes stretch mark. There are some things your cream like, they causes green vein. So please, we should always have all this. And now that when your skin lack all these things, when your cream lack all these things, and then you use them, and yet you put them in the market, you're causing damages to the people. You don't know that. You're just after the money. Yes, you're just after. Let's switch to good Igbo small. You're just after the money, right? But I'm gonna tell you, there is nemesis. If you don't know, bro, says everybody, whoever who does all this, please. I've given you the logic. It doesn't really take much to succeed. It doesn't really need you to go read some degrees for you to know how to promix. But all I tell you, knowledge is power. That's why you need to stick to this channel. AYA Cosmetic. You need to stick to this. So that's the knowledge is power. I might just want to end this video in here. I don't want to say much again. So I'll tell you about this collagen ampoule, and I've told you how to use it already. And so hence it make your body firm, remove dullness from your skin, make your skin look sharp, make you look younger. I want to look beautiful, I want to look younger, I want to look this. Make sure collagen always be in any formula you making. Doesn't really matter. You do any formula, you create any formula, just make sure you make sure that formula is rich. Put some collagen. Alright? Any other thing you want to know, you can always come to us on WhatsApp. Don't forget, we remain AYA Cosmetic, baby. We make the women look beautiful, baby. You into skincare? I will see any guy do this. Really? They do, they does. They say now, oh, collagen. Man, yes, you just have to try to make all of your formula, put some collagen in there so they can be restoring people's skin, right? And don't go say this. I want to correct you guys one more thing. Don't go say this. Your cream causes white patches. Some people have found out too, like they already gotten the white patches with some cream already. It's not out yet. And when you use another cream, another lotion, they say, oh, it's your lotion that causes white patches. Don't do that. Trace the root, trace the link, and find out where you got your white patches from. Yeah. Don't condemn people's. Don't condemn people's product also. I'm just giving you all this advice, all just because I talked about this. They didn't pay me to do this advert. Here you go. Some people, they say they pay you to do this advert. They didn't pay me to do this advert. It's just what I know. I'm telling you what I've just observed and experienced. All right. So don't forget, you're watching AYA Cosmetic. It's your home man, and like, don't say you don't like me. I love you all. You know, some say I speak Oyibo too much. Don't blame me because I'm trying to cut across all over the world. Okay, that's what I'm doing. So don't blame me too much, please. Okay, if I speak pidgin and the people over there, they don't hear, my market don't sell also, the message don't go across also. So let me speak what I know best in, language I know best in using. So don't let me have problem with you about that. All right, don't forget we ship everywhere also. We ship everywhere, US, Canada, UK, Europe, every other place, Asia country, even in our country here, we deliver everywhere. You see, that is what we know best in doing. AYA Cosmetic, Nigeria. Bye.